And look how compact this is. Very light. Just got this electric weed whacker trimmer here. This is what it looks like right in the box. Hey, nice little extra bonus. It comes with some goggles and even comes with a pair of work gloves. Nice little extra bonus there. All right, so this thing really comes totally put together. This is the only thing you have to put on. You slide it on. It's got one tiny little screw. This is a guard for your line so that when it spins, you can keep it up against a tree, fence, whatever, so that way this isn't going to get all tangled up. Totally adjustable. This slides back and forth so you can set it at the length that you want. I really like the versatility of this. The head here, check this out. All I got to do is push this and this tilts. I can get a 90-degree tilt from here all the way up to here. So this way I can use the trimmer in this fashion, or if I want to get it, I can even all the way to this angle. So that's really cool. I do like that versatility. Very easy to adjust. That's another thing that I like. You just lift this. You can extend the pole out. It locks right into place. My biggest complaint on my last trimmer from a different company was you had a little push button in and then you had to tighten it, and that would always come loose with the vibration, and I was constantly fidgeting with it. This locks it right into place, so I really, really like that. The handle here is really cool too because I can move this handle and I just let go and it locks into place. Or I could actually, again, do this, and I can rotate this to the side, lock it right back into place. That way, if I want to hold it this fashion, or if I want to switch it up, put that in top. It's real quick and easy to adjust this. I really do like that. Another little feature here is it has this little button, so that way you can't just pull the trigger. You have to push that in, and then you can hold it. So that's a nice, very nice feature there. I'm coming from a gas-powered one to an electric. It's my first time with an electric one, so I'm really excited. It comes with 2 of the batteries, and it comes with the charger. Let's see how easy this goes on. Pretty simple. You know, one of the things that I do like coming from a gas power to the battery electric one here is you can hear it running, but it's nowhere near as loud. So this thing works great. Let's take a look at it in the yard. I also like how easy it is to put away. I can just straighten that out, slide that back in. It compacts down very small, very light, a lot lighter than my last one. I can even tuck this out of the way. Look how compact this is. Easily stores, very simple. So if you're looking for an electric weed whacker trimmer, this one right here, I really like it. It's lightweight, compact, easy to store, easy to use. Really like it.